Right now we are heading up an initiative to make masks for the community. We are enlisting volunteers all throughout campus. Today we are actually handing out the very first mask kits to our volunteers. These masks are for our community members to help people be able to go out grocery shopping and go out and do the essential things that they need to do on a daily basis. You'll get fabric to make both a front and a back side of these reversible masks, as well as another contrasting fabric to make ties. You'll also get instructions and you'll get patterns that I've developed to fit a variety of faces. So if you have a sewing machine and you have some experience, you can pick up a mask kit from us. The response has been overwhelming to this project.
I thought this would be a way that I could do some small part in helping move this forward and feeling like part of a community again. I'm doing something that lots of other people are doing too, so it sort of bonds us all together. It makes me feel better.